Michael Porche. I'm from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I'm with the local chapter, Rolling Thunder. So myself being a Vietnam veteran, it is to support the POW/MIA issues. And that's, to me, is the most important thing. I did 22 years in the service. My first tour in Vietnam was August of '68 to August of '69. I flew on AC-47 gunships. We were in direct combat support. Somebody got ambushed, we were there to help them out. Second tour I went back over in '71. I was flying on 123s, primarily hauling cargo and passengers. And then we went back over again in '72 as a unit deployment on 130s for 4 months, flying out of Saigon. Being a veteran, especially a Vietnam veteran, well, they never said, but they never said welcome home. Matter of fact, when I came back, we couldn't even wear our uniforms off base. That's how bad it was. It's a life-altering experience. This is a life-altering experience. The first ride I did back in '03 was the first time I went down. Was the first time I went down? Went down? Went down to the wall. What it does is make me think about my friends and relatives. People don't understand about how close you get to people. When you're in direct combat, people are shooting at you, and the only thing is trying to stay alive and take care of your brothers. So going down there, for me, is a way to reconnect and give back.